નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Good morning, students. Standard 9th, Maths, Chapter 13. Today we are going to learn surface area and volume. Today, in exercise 13.7, we are going to talk about question number 6. The volume of right circular cone. Volume of right circular cone is given 9856 centimeter cube. If the diameter of the base is 28 centimeter, then find height of the cone. So first of all, volume of the cone 1 by 3 pi r square h. So volume is given, radius we'll get from this, then we can find height. Now we know the radius and height, then we can find slant height. So find the slant height of the cone. And when we know the slant height, we have to also find the curved surface area of the cone. That is, even if it is asked to find the curved surface area of the cone, we have to find height and slant height. Then only we can find curved surface area. So let us see. First of all, here volume of cone is equal to 9856 centimeter cube. Radius of cone is equal to d by 2, and that is 28 by 2, and that is 14 centimeter. So now first one, height. So for height, here volume of cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h, and that is equal to 9856. Therefore 1 by 3 multiplied by 22 by 7 multiplied by radius square, radius is 14, multiplied by height we have to calculate, and that is equal to given 9856, and therefore height is equal to 9856 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7, here 3 multiplied by 7 divided by 22 into 14 into 14. Cut the common ones. First of all, 22. So 22 1 ja, 22 4 ja, 88, 105, 22 4 ja, 88, again 176, 28, 22 8 ja. So now 7 2 ja, here 14. Again we can cut the common ones. We can go for 14 and 7. Here 7 2s are. So 7 we can get here 64. 7 6 jar and 4 jar. Then 2s are 32. Then again 2s are 16. So 16 multiplied by 3. Height is equal to 16 multiplied by 3 we here left, and that is equal to 48 centimeter. So this is the height. Next is radius, slant height. As we know, slant height is equal to h square plus r square, square root of, and therefore slant height is equal to, height is here 48 square plus radius is 14 square. So therefore slant height is equal to 48 square, that is 2304, plus 14 square, that is 196, and therefore slant height is equal to 2500, and that is 50 square, and therefore slant height is 50 centimeter. Then third part is find the curved surface area. Curved surface area of cone is equal to pi r l. So pi 22 by 7 multiplied by radius. Radius is 14 centimeter and slant height is 50. So 7 1 ja, 7 2 ja, and that is 2 into 50, 100 into 22. That is 2200 centimeter square is the curved surface area of the cone. So this way, even if we want to go for curved surface area, we have to find slant height, and slant height, for that we need height. So even if it is asked to find curved surface area, we need to go for these both things. Next question. Now in question 7 is a good question. There is a right triangle. You can see the right triangle here, the right triangle ABC. It is a right triangle with the sides 5 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 13 centimeter. Now this right triangle is revolved. This right triangle here, this is the height. So it is revolved about side 12 centimeter. So 12 centimeter is kept here and it is revolved. It is revolved. Suppose here we say this is the height and here it will be like this. So it is revolved in this way. Is it clear? This is 12 centimeter height. So it is, and this is the slant height 13 centimeter. So it is revolved about 12 centimeter. So 12 centimeter is the height and base is 5 centimeter. When it is revolved, you will get such a circular part. C will be revolved through this and slant height here. So this is 13 centimeter slant height and this is circle with the radius 5 centimeter and height. This type of cone is obtained. So find the volume of such a solid cone obtained. So here is a right triangle ABC with sides 5 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 13 centimeter is revolved about side 12 centimeter. Therefore, height of the cone obtained. Therefore, height of solid cone obtained is H is equal to 12 centimeter and base radius 5 centimeter. Therefore, and slant height 13 centimeter. So the question is, what is the volume of the solid cone obtained? Volume of the solid cone obtained is pi r 1 by 3 pi r square h. So here 1 by 3 multiplied by 22 by 7 multiplied by radius. Radius is here 5 multiplied by height 12. So now we can also take pi as it is, we can keep 1 by 3 multiplied by 5 into 5 into 12. Cut the common ones, 3 4s are 12. So here we will get 22 4s are 12, 25 4s are 100 into 22, that is divided by 7 centimeter cube. Or you can say sometimes it is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So here pi kept as it is and radius is 5 into 5 multiplied by height 12. 3 4s are 12. So here it is 25 4s are 100 and that is equal to 100 pi centimeter cube. You can see here it is 22 by 7 multiplied by 100, that is 100 pi. That is 100 pi centimeter cube. So sometimes in terms of pi when it is asked, we can find in this way, or if it is asked to take pi is equal to 22 by 7, then we can say 2200 divided by 7 centimeter cube. So now we will take next question. In question number 7, we have discussed that there is a triangle ABC. There is a triangle ABC. So in this triangle, here it is slant height 13 centimeter and here height 12 centimeter and this 5 centimeter. So it was revolved around this. Here it was revolved about this side 12 centimeter. So when it is like this, this is revolved. This is revolved in this way. So that it rotates and what happens? Then we get this type of figure. So that was here in question number 7 and we have calculated volume. But now in this question this is given 5 centimeter now. and this is 12 centimeter, and here it is 13 centimeter. Now it is revolved about this 5 centimeter side. So what happens? Then you will get such a cone. When it is revolved, it occupies this much space. So here it is, when it is revolved in this way, here it occupies this space or the volume. So now what is the volume of this? So here the radius is 12 centimeter and height 5 centimeter. Here is radius 5 centimeter and height 12 centimeter. This is question number 7, and now in this question number 8. So here, as in question number 7, it was revolved about side 5 centimeter. So how it was revolved about 12 centimeter in question number 7? Same way it is revolved about the side 5 centimeter. Then we have to find the volume. So here we have calculated the volume in 7th question. Now we will calculate volume in this question for this where radius is 12 centimeter. Then we have to find the ratio of both the volumes. The ratio of volume obtained for this solid and this solid. So let us calculate first of all volume when it is revolved about 5 centimeter side. So let us take, so here when it is revolved about 5 centimeter side, this is the 5 centimeter side. So when it is revolved about 5 centimeter side like this, so here what happens? Height of the cone so formed is h is equal to 5 centimeter and radius is equal to 12 centimeter and slant height is equal to 13 centimeter. So as we need volume, slant height is not required here. Therefore, volume of cone so formed is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 multiplied by 22 by 7 multiplied by radius is 12 centimeter multiplied by height 5 centimeter. 3 4s are 12. So now you see 4 multiplied by 12 multiplied by 5, that is 5 4s are 20, 12s are 240. 240 multiplied by 22 by 7. So 240 multiplied by 22 by 7, that means here we will get 5280 divided by 7 centimeter cube. But if we keep this part as in terms of pi, then we will get here 12 multiplied by 12 multiplied by 5. So 3 4s are, and thus we get here 240 pi centimeter cube. So both are one and same thing. Here in terms of pi we have taken because we want to go for ratio. So now the ratio of the volume of these two, as we have calculated in question 7, the volume was here 100 pi centimeter cube, and that is equal to 2200 by 7 centimeter cube. And here in question 8, the volume is 240 by 100 into pi, and here it is 240 pi. 100 into pi, and here it is 240 pi centimeter cube, and that is equal to 5280 by 7 centimeter cube. And therefore the ratio of their volumes, here we say V1 and V2, ratio of their volumes is equal to V1 upon V2, and that is, we can write, this is convenient, 100 pi divided by 240 pi. If it is asked to calculate in terms of pi, then we have to calculate, but if it is not mentioned, then we have to convert pi is equal to 22 by 7, and we get such answer. But for ratio, it is better to go for in terms of pi, because cancellation will take place. So here pi cut, here you will get 100 divided by 240. Cut the common ones, 0 0 cut, here 5 2s are, here 5 12s are, and thus the ratio is 5 by 12. So that is here ratio we get here is ratio of volumes V1 is to V2 is equal to 5 is to 12 for question number 7 and 8, ratio between their volumes. Now we will take next question. Now in question number 9, there is a heap of wheat. There is a heap of wheat in the form of cone. So heap of wheat is in the wheat is there and it is in the shape of cone. You can see it is in the shape of cone. Cone shaped heap is there, and here it is having diameter 10.5. Diameter 10.5 meter. Diameter is 10.5 meter. And height is 3 meter. Height is 3 meters. Length height is not given. So that is a heap of wheat is given. Now find its volume. We have to find its volume. So for volume we need radius and height, that is given. Then it is covered with canvas to protect it from rain. So only curved surface is covered, and so we have to find the area of the canvas required to cover this heap of wheat in the farm. So first of all, let us see here what is the volume. So for this here diameter is given and height is given. So radius of cone formed is equal to radius, and that is equal to diameter divided by 2. You can say 105 by 20 meter it is. Then height of cone, and that is h, and that is equal to 3 meter. So our question is therefore volume of here heap. Find the volume. Here find the volume of heap. Volume of heap in cone shape is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. So 1 by 3 multiplied by 22 by 7 multiplied by radius. What is the radius here? 105 by 20. 105 by 20 is the radius square, and the height is 3 meter. Height is 3 meter and is the radius. So 3. Now cut the common ones. First of all 7 15 ja, then 3 3 ja, then 11 2 ja, here 10 ja. So now 11 into 15 into 105, and here 20 into 10. Now we cannot cut 2, so let it be 5 as it is. We will keep, and let us multiply 11 into 15 into 105. That means 17,325 divided by 10 into 20, that is 200 meter cube. Now if we convert it into decimals, then we will get multiplied by 5, both numerator and denominator, we will get in the denominator 1000. That means 3 decimal places. So it is 86,625 divided by 1000, and so we get 86,625 meter cube. It is the volume of heap of cone, heap of wheat formed in the shape of cone. Now we have to go for canvas required, that is curved surface area. Find the area of the canvas required. So for that we need slant height. So therefore, as you can see here, therefore slant height is equal to square of radius and height under the root, and therefore slant height is equal to, what is the radius here? 10.5 divided by 2 whole square, as it is radius whole square, plus height is 3 whole square. So now therefore slant height is equal to square root of 10.5 by 2 whole square. That means here you will get a square of 105, that is 11,025 divided by 4 plus 9, and therefore slant height is equal to here 11,025 plus 36 divided by 4, taking LCM, and thus we get here 11,025 plus here it is actually 2 decimal places, 0.2. So here also point, so 36, now it is 146.25, 110.5, so here decimal place 110.25 divided by 2 square plus 9, taking LCM we got this. So now what is slant height therefore? Therefore the slant height is 146.25 divided by 4, that means here 56.5625 dividing by 4, and it is square root of this. So here this is actually 6 point, approximately we will get here 0, 4, 6 and so on, and so this is approx, and therefore we say slant height is equal to 6.05, approximately here it is this meters. This is the slant height, approximately 6.05 meter is the slant height. Now we want, our question is to calculate area of canvas required. Now area of canvas required, and that is equal to curved surface area of cone, that is pi r L, and that is, what is pi? 22 by 7. Radius is here, radius is given 10.5 divided by 2 multiplied by here 6.05 is a slant height, and therefore here we can see now, and therefore curved surface area is equal to, here what we are getting, curved surface area, got the common ones, so we can say here 22 by 7, therefore curved surface area is equal to 22 by 7 multiplied by 105 divided by 20 multiplied by 605 divided by 100, 7 15 ja and 2 10 ja. Now divide, denominator is 1000, so let it be as it is, we will get in round figure. So 11 into 15 into 605, and so we will get 99,825, and that is 99.825 meter square. So this is what, nothing but the area of the canvas. So canvas required is equal to 99.825 meter square. So here we have got two things: canvas required to cover this heap of wheat in the shape of cone, and also we got the volume of wheat in the shape of cone. We will take next exercise 13.8 questions based on sphere and hemisphere next time. Thank you for joining us.